Find the coefficient of x in the expansion of, we are doing first bit 2x minus 1 by x power 5. For any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term first. General term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Now, what is n? The power is n, and in place of x, what will you take? Inside the bracket, whichever has got x in it, that you will take it for x. Here both of them has got x in it, so you can select any one of them to be x. Here I select 2x to be x, and the left out should be taken for y. The negative sign should not be skipped. Clear? Now replace them in the general term. So that will be 5cr. In place of x it is 2x. In place of y it is minus 1 by x power 5 minus r. Now simplify this to the maximum extent possible. And how do we do that? See. 5cr, apply the power to each. So 2 power r, x power r, same here. So minus 1 power 5 minus r by x power 5 minus r. Okay. For negative number, bracket is must. If it is positive, you don't need to put the bracket. Now, write all the numbers first and x at last. That is 5cr, 2 power r, I write minus 1 power 5 minus r first by, that's it. Here x power r by x power 5 minus r. Next, how do I simplify further is by making use of formula here, and the formula is a power m by a power n. Bases are same, division you will subtract the powers. Okay. So if I subtract x powers, what do I get here? R minus 5 minus r. So multiply with negative sign, minus 5 plus r. These two are like terms. So it will result in 2r minus 5. Okay. So now this will change to 5cr, 2 power r minus 1 power 5 minus r, x power 2r minus 5. Now this is our general term. Okay, next. I need coefficient of x power 1. So here on x the power is 1. Here on x the power is this. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So that is 1 equal to 2r minus 5. Now add 5. So 6 equal to 2r. Now divide by 2. So 3 equal to r. Replace r equal to 3 in this, you will get the coefficient of x power 1. So if I replace, that will be 5c3, 2 power 3 minus 1 power 5 minus 3 is 2 into x power 1. Now put this entire thing at once in calculator. You get the answer to be 80. So coefficient of x power 1 is 80. That completes our first bit. Now second bit. Hence find the coefficient of x power 1 in the expansion of 1 plus 3x square power 1 into 2x minus 1 by x power 5. Now see, here the power is 1, so it will not undergo any change. Okay, now here the power is 5. If I expand, I get many terms. I don't need to find and write all the terms because I only need to find coefficient of x power 1. So I will write only those terms which will result in x power 1. And how do I decide that? By looking here. Here it is 1. Should be multiplied with what? Such that it results in x power 1. It should be multiplied with x power 1, only then it will result in x power 1. X power 2 should be multiplied with x power minus 1. Then only it will result in 2 minus 1, 1. Clear so far? Now, I need to find coefficient of x power 1 and x power minus 1 in this expansion. For x power 1 we have already found, that is first bit answer, which we got it to be 80. Now, I need to find coefficient of x power minus 1. See now. On x the power is minus 1 and here on x it is 2r minus 5. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So, minus 1 equal to 2r minus 5. Add 5 now. So, this will be 4 equal to 2r. Divide by 2. So, r equal to 2. Replace r equal to 2 in this. So, what do I get? 5c2 2 power 2 minus 1 power 5 minus 2 3 and x power minus 1. Put this entire thing at once in the calculator. You get the answer to be minus 40. Okay. So, replace it here. Coefficient of x power minus 1 is minus 40. Next, multiply. 1 into this will be 80. Here plus 3 into minus 40 will be minus 120. Now, these two are like terms. So, 80 minus 120 is minus 40, x power 1. So, coefficient of x power 1 is minus 40. We have completed the sum.